For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Telangana court on August 24th restrained controversial filmmaker Ram Gopal Varma from going ahead with the production of Murder. The film has been put on hold till the completion of probe into the incident of honor killing on which the film is based. The Special Court for SC/ST cases in Nalgonda directed Varma and producer Nati Karuna not to make and release the film till the probe into the murder of Pranay Kumar was completed. The court passed the interim orders on a petition filed by P. Balaswamy. P. Balaswamy's son Pranay Kumar was murdered in 2018 allegedly by his father-in-law Maruti Rao, who had refused to accept his marriage with his daughter. Shrikant Iyengar and Sahiti are playing the lead roles in the film Murder, which is being made on the banners of Nati's Entertainment. The makers of the film had planned to release it in theatres as soon as the lockdown restrictions on cinema halls are lifted. Last month, on the direction of the court, the police in Miryalaguda town had filed a case against Varma and Nati Karuna. They were booked under IPC Section 153A and other sections of the SC/ST Amendment Act. Balaswamy, who had approached the court in June, sought a ban on the film on the ground that it could mislead the investigations into the case. He also said that photos of Pranay and his daughter-in-law Amruta were being used without their consent. 24-year-old Pranay was hacked to death by hired killers in public when he, along with his wife and mother, were coming out of a private hospital in Miryalaguda on September 14, 2018. The sensational murder was caught on CCTV camera. Maruti Rao, who belonged to an upper caste, and 7 others were arrested in connection with the case. Rao, who allegedly struck the deal to kill Pranay for ₹1 crore, died by suicide in March this year in Hyderabad. Varma had announced in June that he was making a film on the story of Maruti Rao and his daughter. In a series of tweets, Varma dropped the details, saying, "This is going to be a heart-wrenching story based on the Amruta and Maruti Rao saga about the dangers of a father loving a daughter too much." Amruta, who lives with her in-laws, had reacted strongly to Varma's plans and vowed to fight a legal battle to stop the film. Amruta in her petition said, "The film Murder is a direct intrusion and invasion of my privacy over which the defendant does not have any manner of right." In a series of tweets, this is what Varma said on the issue.
It's foolish to assume that I am going to show someone involved in a negative light because I strongly believe that nobody is bad and only bad circumstances make people look bad or make them behave bad. And that's what I intend to explore in Murder.
However, we will have to wait for the updates from officials on the case and the status of the film.